Good evening, Delmarva. We've been dealing with a few storms passing through portions of the region throughout the last several hours. The good news is conditions are clearing up, and we're seeing a pretty beautiful evening across most of Delmarva at this time. Boardwalk Plaza Hotel camera in Rehoboth Beach. The boardwalk is packed. It is looking like a gorgeous evening in Rehoboth Beach. Temp sitting right around 76 degrees in Rehoboth at this time. We're in the 70s and 80s all across Delmarva at this hour. It's 77 in Bethany Beach. It's 80 in Ocean Pines, 81 in Selbyville, 82 degrees in Millsboro, and 85 degrees in Georgetown. So a little bit warmer inland. The reason for that is, well, it all comes down to the wind direction. Winds coming out of the northeast. So these northeasterly winds pulls in some cooler air off the Atlantic, so that's why the beaches are in the 70s, but still it's pretty pleasant out there when we're seeing all that sunshine, and we're adding on some humid conditions on top of that, so the humidity makes it feel a tad bit warmer. Dew points are in the mid-70s across the region, so it's very humid, very muggy out there, and that is going to remain the case for the next several days, likely through Tuesday evening. So during that time period, with all this humidity, with all this moisture in the air, we're going to run the risk of some thunderstorms pretty much each day over the next 3 days. Kind of similar to what we saw today. Monday's probably a little bit more widespread though, especially during the evening and overnight hours. Here we go on our satellite radar picture right now. Most of Sussex County is clear, but some clouds linger across Fenwick Island and then point south. Even a heavier shower and thunderstorm moving south towards Snow Hill this evening. That's going to continue to impact areas to the south, but clear out pretty quickly over the next couple of hours. This cold front kind of just going to remain parked across the region over the next couple of days. So that is why we're going to keep the clouds in the forecast. That is why we're going to keep the chance of some isolated storms in the forecast. This is Sunday afternoon. A few more isolated showers or storms. Nothing too widespread. But Monday, the clouds really start to increase because it just parks itself directly over top of Delmarva. And here we go with those showers and storms. So over the next few days, you're going to want to keep an umbrella handy. It's nothing that's going to be complete washouts each day, but certainly something to keep in mind. Our Paul Davis Restoration and Home Remodeling 7-day forecast, where we have thunderstorms in the forecast through Tuesday. Ignore these precipitation chance percentages. I forgot to remove them off the map. Sunny conditions Wednesday through Saturday.